it's Kim, and we're here with Maya and Jade. And everyone just woke up. We're gonna do another day in the life video. I've had lots of requests for this one, so this is a day in the life of a cloth diapered baby. So it is 7 a.m. The girls both woke up, and I've been up since like 4:30 because I just have. I couldn't sleep, so took a shower and got ready, and we're gonna change Maya's diaper. Okay, so I totally forgot to turn the camera on, but I just took her out of her nighttime disposable and put her in a Rite 3.1 bamboo all-in-one, and she is just using the large insert, and she is so hungry. Can you say milk? Do you want milk? Yeah, somebody wants milk. Okay, now that she's happy, I'm gonna show you guys some fit tips. Excuse the shirt, it's not my style at all, but anyways. So Maya has some chunky legs, so what really helps is, especially on some diapers that are a little bit tighter in the elastic, or to stagger the snaps. So I like to stagger the snaps here. You can see how the waist is on this snap and then the thigh is out one, and that gives enough room so it's just tight enough but not gonna be leaving red marks. And then another good fit tip is that on the rise setting, when you're not all the way open on the rise, you want to make sure this fabric is tucked up. So see how the fabric is tucked up, and even around the thighs it's tucked up. If it's the other way, I'll see if I can do it. Tucked down, it makes it a lot bulkier, and it has a really weird fit around the thighs and isn't going to be as comfortable for the baby. Look at the difference that makes on how trim it is between the legs and just how much more comfortable it is. Okay, so those are just a couple of fit tips, and I will check you guys with the next diaper change. Good morning, hug. I love you.
Good thing I catch down to Maya.
Yeah.
I'm going to fall, but I grabbed onto Maya's back.
Good job, big sister.
Got it.
You got her. Hi, baby.
I got her back.
Oh, your tummy. Can you pat your tummy? Yeah, good girl. All right, so it has been about an hour since we've been up, and we have our breakfast here and have the girls dressed. And we're having hard-boiled eggs. I made them in the Instant Pot, so super easy. I have a whole video on how to do that, so I'll link that below. And some fresh strawberries. What do you think, sweetie?
Yummy.
Yummy. So, another tip is that when you have a onesie, I'd like to just snap the middle snap, and then that helps prevent any compression leaks around the elastic. Okay, so we're gonna take off the Rite 3.1 and pop on a blueberry simplex. And I don't have the tongue stuffed in. This is what it looks like when you just lay it on top. Ooh. So Maya is 10 months old, and I'm guessing like 19, maybe 20 pounds. But she's still in that middle rise setting on most of her diapers. Diaper change number 2 is all done. Say bye-bye. Good girl. It's a rare rainy day here in Southern California, but anyway, so I just wanted to show you what I have in our bag for a full day out. We're going to be out for like 5 hours. So in the front pocket, I just have her gymnastics leotard that we'll change into as soon as we get there. On the top, I have Maya's shoes and Sophie, and I have our lunch, snacks, my water bottle, a quick packed with 2 cloth diapers and a wet bag, and at the bottom, I'm not going to pull it out because we're in a rush here, but I have a change of clothes for both girls and 2 extra cloth diapers. So a total of 4 diapers in here, and all of that fits super well. And then on the other side, and yes, is Jade's water cup. And that fits in here perfectly. And this is the XY base. I did a separate video on this as well if you want to check that out. All right, off to gymnastics. Good girl. Hi, Hi guys. Okay, so it's 11:50 and we are at our play date now, so I'm gonna make this one quick. But she is ready for lunch. I just have my quick with my diapers and the wet bag, and I'm gonna switch this one out. Okay, so I put another blueberry simplex on here. I have the diaper in here. I'm just gonna throw that in my backpack. If I wanted to keep my diaper bag slimline, I would actually just shove it back in here. It does fit. Okay, she's ready to go. You ready for lunch? So it is 12:45 and we just got home from our play date. We're gonna play outside for a couple minutes and then change Maya's diaper and head up for nap.
Peace.
What do you have there, Jade?
Bubbles? Can I open it?
Sure.
This one comes out.
This one bubble. There you go. Good job, sweetie. So it is 1:50 and we got back from our play date. I definitely didn't need to bring all 4 of those diapers. We just used the one while we were out. That's the great thing about changing her right before we leave, no matter what, because then I don't need to bring as many. I usually only bring 2, so I don't know why I brought 4 today. But so she has a poopy diaper now. On the car ride home, she went. So I have wipes here. I don't keep water in them anymore because they would get moldy because we don't use as many anymore. So I just grab a couple and bring them over to the sink and get them wet. And I do this before the diaper change. So I just changed her on this pad that came with like a little bed co-sleeper, and it's a perfect wipeable, slim little changing pad, and then we just slide it underneath the bed. Jay, do you want to pick out a diaper for Maya? Ooh, perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you. So we're gonna go into another blueberry simplex, and this one, the tongue is stuffed in, so just so you can see what that looks like. That is a snappy. We don't need that for this type of diaper.
I'll record it.
You recording?
Let's record it. I'm recording it. Now you're done. Record.
Great.
Record. Okay. I watched it. I mean, what?
Okay, so Maya's all clean with her new blueberry simplex on, and I'm going to take this sturdy diaper into the bathroom and clean it off.
Can I see?
Sure.
Now, rinse out. I move it.
That's great. Put the diapers in the wet bags that hang on this door. I have a diaper pail upstairs in her bedroom in the closet, but this is just where we hang all the wet bags. Okay, and now we're gonna head off for nap. Yeah.
I'm going to nap.
You're gonna have your nap too, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, let me take that. Alright guys, so it is 4:30 and Maya just woke up from her nap. Her onesie is a little bit damp here because she took a very big nap. I'm just going to change her, and she's a mess anyway, so I'm going to change her outfit. We usually don't get leaks, but it was like, I don't know, 3.5 hours so that she was in this one. So for this diaper change, I'm just using a buttons diaper cover and a pad folded cotton flat. So you pull up the pad fold and pop on the diaper. Super easy. Yeah. Go. Yes. Whoa. What happened? Did you fall down? Can you get up? Ready? Yeah. Set. Go. Ooh, you're gonna do some vlogging. Are you gonna do some vlogging? Okay, it is 6 o'clock and we have a super mad baby. Are you super mad? Yeah, she has another dirty diaper. Oh, look at this is her new mad face. Oh, should we change her diaper? Oh, sweetheart, I know. Let me change her diaper and I will get back with you guys. I'm gonna nurse her. I usually spray a dirty diaper immediately after, but she's super upset. So when I can't spray a diaper immediately after, I just set it on the back of the toilet there. It isn't touching anything, just the PUL, so it's not like it's getting the toilet all dirty. But I will, after I'm done nursing her and she's a little happier, I will come back and spray that. I'm going to do a little update with what we're doing. Maya's still in her Blueberry Simplex, and I have yet to spray off that diaper because it's dinner time. We had a last minute play date with the neighbors before dinner, so dinner got pushed back a little bit. It's 6:30 now, and we're cooking veggie burgers with bacon. We're not vegetarian, but I like the taste of these veggie burgers. And then we have, what do we have in here? Like kale, broccoli, and green beans. Jade is helping. How did you help?
Hamburgers.
You pulled out the veggie burgers, and you pulled out 6, 9, 8 of them. Okay, so we have all eaten dinner and everyone is happy. So I'm finally gonna get to this diaper. It does not smell in here or anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn on my sprayer. There's a little on switch in the back. I have a tutorial for this sprayer, how to install it and how to use it, and a review on it. So I will link that below as well. The diaper is a little messier than the other one, so if you don't want to see it, just skip ahead a couple seconds. I usually do the wipes first so that the water isn't yucky and I don't have to fish into the bowl. You can wear gloves if you want, but for me, I just wash my hands and it doesn't bother me. So this cover barely got any on. I still would not reuse it, but it just didn't get very dirty, so mostly just the pad fold. Key is to start at a slow flow and at a downward angle, and then increase pressure. If you start blasting right away, you're going to make a mess. So just give it a squeeze before you put it into the diaper pail so it doesn't get just sitting in there sopping wet. So this one does have some staining because I did let it sit for a couple of hours. I don't worry about doing any stain treating. It will either just come out in the wash on its own, and if it doesn't, I could put it out in the sun if I want, but usually about 1 or 2 washes it will come out on its own. I do get some splatter on the toilet seat. I usually wipe it down. And then I just have a Method bathroom cleaner here that I will just wipe down the seat if I did get a little bit more messy than normal. I don't do this every time, but if it does seem to be a little messier, I will do this. And again, this will all go into the wet bag. And time to wash my hands. Okay, so it's 7:40 and we're gonna get ready for bed. You say night-night soon? Diapering is super easy at this age. You know, we've only done 7 changes today, or 6 changes. And
can I see?
we only had to change, we were out all day and we only had to change her once. It really is easy to cloth diaper. I've been doing this for 3 years now and it's just no big deal at all. Right, Maya? Do you like your diapers? Yay! We do disposables at night. I have a Huggies overnight here. I was wetting through regular disposable diapers, so we got the overnights. Keep trying some nighttime options, and I'm hoping during this Flatsome hand washing challenge that's coming up that maybe I'll find a good nighttime solution that isn't too bulky. But yeah, so for now we've just been using disposables at night, and that doesn't really bother me. We're happy to do that. It's just 1 diaper a day.